Hello, my name is Penny Matthews, and I'm a really super cool entertainer and stuff. So first of all, I'm going to do you a little magic trick. Be prepared, this might blow your socks off. Ooh. Wow, it's magic. It's not on a string or nothing, mind. Honest. Anyway, that was cool. Yay. Now I'm going to do you a poem. So serious this is now, okay? It was the summer of 1996. Oh, it's not really a poem, it's a bit of creative writing. It was the summer of 1996. Alanis Morissette's Jagged Little Pill was blasting on the stereo, side one. I was sitting in the caravan bedroom with the window ajar. The net curtain rippled and danced as a mellow breeze seeped in from the ice cream melting day outside. Buckets and spades headed beachwards in a commotion of bare feet, flip-flops, and sand-castle dreams. Under the picnic sun, blackberries were blissfully ripening, and as I gazed out into the brightness of the afternoon, it felt like I was viewing an overexposed photograph. And then I farted. Thank you. Okay. Mime now, kinda. Thanks. Thank you. Oh. Goodbye.